Hi, this is Roberto Zelvi, Solution Architect and Field Application Engineer in Dave Embedded Systems. Today, I would like to present you the BORA Evaluation Kit. BORA is a system-on-module based on Xilinx Zinc 7000 system-on-chip application processor.
Please check carefully the label sticked to the box and take note about the serial number. This will be used for registering your kit in our help desk support channel. Open the box and check the kit contents with the packing list using the Evaluation Kit Getting Started wiki page. Dave's standard evaluation kit typically contains a power supply and its cable adapter, the FTDI USB to serial adapter, the TB9 serial cable, and the already programmed with Dave's BSP software microSD card. At the end, you can find the BORA evaluation board with the BORA system-on-module already installed. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Open the evaluation board plastic bag. The power supply cable adapter is already connected to the board. Extract the SD card and insert it into the microSD card slot in the evaluation board. Now, connect the FTDI adapter to the serial cable and connect the USB side to your personal computer. Insert the DB9 connector to the DB9 port in the AVB. In your personal computer, open your favorite serial terminal application and plug the power supply terminal. The green LEDs switched on tell you that the board is correctly powered. In the serial terminal, you can see the U-boot and kernel console messages for the system bootstrap.
Now it's time to work with your new evaluation kit. Thank you for joining the Dave Embedded System community. For more information, visit our website www.dave.eu.